If you are sick and tired of dirty splash spray on your floors while spin drying in the basket, then our detachable Splash Guard stainless steel ringer basket is going to make your day a breeze. Installation is incredibly easy and takes just moments, so you can spend more time enjoying your clean house and less time cleaning. The HAPINNEX Spin Mop set is power-packed with amazing features like a spill-proof self-balancing bucket, a splash-proof detachable stainless steel ringer basket, and a washable microfiber mop head. Gone are the days of putting excessive effort in order to force out water from your mop. Now you can save time and effort as our Easy Press system allows you to spin off excess water with only one move. Enjoy a sparkling clean home with the HAPINNEX Spin Mop set.
Can you imagine cleaning being this fun? Twist and Shout Mop is the newest award-winning spin mop that easily wrings out with a gentle push on the handle. The super absorbent microfiber mop head locks in dust and spills and cleans 3 times better than cotton. The swivel head allows it to easily clean under furniture, around corners, and even baseboards. Just toss the mop head in the washer when you're done and dance on. Visit twistandshopmop.com to find out why it's the #1 top-rated mop on Amazon.
This is Kevin, and this is MOPNADO, the world's fastest, most convenient, and hygienic mop system. Using its patented spin drive, MOPNADO can handle accidents of any size by literally washing and drying your mop head during use. So, if someone decides to open 3 cans of perfectly good soda and spill them on the floor, after squirting some ketchup and mustard for good measure, you'll have no trouble cleaning up afterwards. With its super absorbent microfiber mop head, soaking up large amounts of liquids is a breeze. Just look at how easily 1 full liter of conveniently poured soda gets absorbed. Shocking, isn't it? The secret behind its success is the handle-driven spin function that allows the mop to be washed and dried in its own bucket. MOPNADO also features a unique twist lock, allowing you to extend the handle to clean hard-to-reach places. Use it wet or dry, and finally take care of those areas no one will be able to see. The mop head design lets you quickly switch mop heads, and the microfiber is soft enough to clean almost any surface. So switch from tile to hardwood floors in a heartbeat. Just don't try to mop your carpet. Old clunky mop systems are heavy and won't get dry enough to use on delicate surfaces. With the stainless steel spin basket, MOPNADO can get as dry or as wet as you need, so you never have to worry about damaging your floors ever again. Just spin faster for a dry mop head and spin slower for a wet mop head. It's that simple. And once you're ready to rinse out your mop head, get a clean, thorough wash with the built-in agitator, unlike older mops that just slosh your mop head around. Then spin to your desired wetness level, and you're all set. Disposable sweepers are light and easy to maneuver, but mostly just push dirt around. Plus, the cost of replacements can add up real quick after just 1 session of cleaning. Wet refills can cost up to 38 cents per sheet. And they can't really be washed or reused either. So, the next time you're getting ready to tidy up around the house, and you want a fast, convenient, and even fun cleaning experience, choose the one and only MOPNADO. Give it a spin today.
Hi, I'm Amy from Bulbhead, and this is our amazing Hurricane 360 Spin Mop, the mop and bucket cleaning sensation that spins dirty water away. The ultra-absorbent microfiber mop head spins a full 360 degrees, picking up the most dirt, getting around everything, especially hard-to-reach areas like corners, furniture legs, and behind the toilet bowl. And the mop lays flat to clean deep under furniture, so you never have to bend over. Hurricane 360 Spin Mop Head is so absorbent, it can actually pick up 10 times its own weight. To clean it, just dunk it in the bucket and then watch the dirt spin away like magic. You never have to touch the mop head or germ-filled water. Then the mop head pops off easily to be machine washable and dryable, so you can reuse it over and over again, saving you time and money. Clean virtually every type of surface: hardwood, marble, laminate, travertine, ceramic tile, and more, without ever getting your hands dirty or getting on your hands and knees. That's it. Another fine product from Bulbhead.
Oshang Deluxe Spin Mop. Brand new design concept. Curved figure. Separate dehydration basket design. Easy extraction from the dehydration basket. Stainless steel basket with built-in bearing. Easy dehydration, save time and effort. Counterclockwise cleaning technology. Detachable scrubber. Silent wheel, smooth movement. Foldable handle allows you to easily move the bucket. Microfiber mop head, 180-degree flexible rotation. Can effectively gather and hold dust, easily releases debris when rinsed. No more back pain guaranteed. The handle can be extended to 60 inches long. Drain plug design.